Hi, this video is an update on the current build progress. The basic principle of the LEGO sorting machine so far is working great. The main updates focus on scaling up operation times and getting more parts scanned for classifier training. One of the bottlenecks currently is the machine having to be refilled with parts roughly every 20 minutes. This is due to the limited capacity of the storage conveyor belt. The idea was to rotate the storage conveyor by 90 degrees and then have a lot of free space to increase its length. The parts now drop onto a cardboard ramp and then slide into the V-channel. Since these first tests looked very promising, the work on actually extending the conveyor could start. Both the frame and the belt drive mechanics needed to be much longer. After this was in place, the belt could be fitted. The concept worked, so the sidewalls could be mounted back in place. The final step was to do some cleanup of the part colors. And then the storage upgrade was complete. I was expecting this for quite a long time, and today, it actually happened. I came to the machine, there was a big pile of parts in the scanner, and the belt was jammed. So far, there is no feedback channel yet, which would inform the control PC about the actual belt speed. So I was very lucky that for some reason, the belt drive motor stopped. After disassembling the scanner, the problem showed up pretty quickly. A cheese wedge part got thrown over the guardrail and caught the conveyor belt at its seam. The fix was pretty simple. I added some white tiles on the guardrail so nothing can fall behind it anymore. After putting everything back together, the view into the scanner now looks like this. And after restarting the machine, the cheese wedge happily left the scanner. It even got detected correctly. In summary, I am really positively surprised that the machine until today accumulated over 125 hours of operation time with no severe mechanical malfunction happening. I want to end today's video with an outlook on a big update of the rotational ramp. The ramp is responsible for directing the classified parts into the sorting bins. It is driven by a servo, which is accurate enough to serve up to 12 storage bins. At the same time, the CNN today can identify 20 different part classes. To resolve that, the slide received a second motion dimension. It can now pitch using an additional servo mounted on the rotating head of the slide. In future, this will allow the direction of parts into another row of smaller bins. Today, I cannot show any pictures of the machine fully assembled. The workbench on which the machine is mounted currently looks a bit rough. The idea is to cut holes into the board and have small plastic bags hanging below for storage of sorted parts. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.